You asked, how to divide 8,675 by 6 using the long division method. 8 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Bring down 6, making 26. 26 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 26 minus 24 equals 2. Bring down 7, making 27. 27 divided by 6 equals 4. 4 times 6 equals 24. 27 minus 24 equals 3. Bring down 5, making 35. 35 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. 35 minus 30 equals 5. The remainder is 5. The final result is 1445, remainder 5.